Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of Vlogmas 2025. If you've watched my past couple of videos, then you'll know that I am doing Vlogmas this year. I'm so excited about it. I have made a whole plan for December. Every day is gonna have some fun, festive, Christmassy things, and I just cannot wait for it all. So my plan for Vlogmas is to film 2 days and then edit and post on the 3rd day. So you should get a vlog every 3 days. I feel like that's the best way for me to do it. I think if I filmed every day, the videos would just be kind of boring and probably kind of short. So yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't done Vlogmas properly for years. I think I tried to do it in uni, but they were not good videos. I would not recommend watching them. And then last year I really wanted to do it, but I was working a 9-to-5 job, so I couldn't. So I think this is gonna be a good year. Today's episode 1, it actually is not the 1st of December, unfortunately. It's the 26th of November, but I really wanted a vlog to put up on the 1st of December. So I'm gonna film today and tomorrow, and it's gonna be really fun. This is gonna be my first episode. I'm also calling them episodes because obviously I'm not doing every single day. So today's plan, it actually is already 3 o'clock because we were back at my parents' house dog sitting for the past couple of days, which really got me in the cozy vibes. But we just came back up to the flat, and tonight we have a really fun evening planned. I've actually planned a surprise date night for Danny and I. He has no idea what we're doing. I'm not going to tell you yet because he's just sitting upstairs, but I think it should be fun, and also it will be a good thing, I think, to start off Vlogmas with. So yeah, I've just made myself a cup of tea. I really want to just sit down and watch a Christmas film, but I actually do have some editing to do. I want to post my ultimate Christmassy weekend vlog tomorrow so that everything is nice and ready for the 1st of December on Monday. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. Are you excited, Daddy?
Yeah.
That did not sound very enthusiastic.
Super excited. The most excited you've ever seen.
We put up our Christmas decorations last weekend in the last vlog, but if you haven't seen that, then this is our Christmas tree. She got a lot of hate on TikTok. My video did quite well, and the comments were hating on her. People said she was too small. They said she was a weird shape. Apparently we didn't put the lights or the decorations on properly, but I like her. And also, big trees are expensive. I don't know where people think I'm getting all this money from. Then we also have some more decorations over here. Advent calendar, so excited to open that. And then this is what our mantelpiece looks like as well. Some candles, that lights up. I would have liked some more decorations around the flat, but this is actually all we have right now, but maybe during December we'll get a few more. My parents were actually away, which is why we were dog sitting, and my mum bought me this as a thank you for looking after Clara, which obviously I was very happy to do anyway, but it's this light up Christmas tree. So I'm gonna actually put this in our room, I think, on my desk, because our room is looking not very festive right now, which I'm not happy about. I'm thinking I'll maybe put it there. I might move it to my desk at some point. I also forgot that this is an Advent candle, so I can definitely light that on the 1st of December. So do you have any guesses?
No other than project painting, because I don't know, you said it's something that's, I don't know, different.
Okay, it's not pottery painting. It's on Ashton Lane.
Oh!
What?
Is it the beer workshop thing?
No. Is that? Oh, no.
That orange cheese got a cook. I have no idea.
Well, have the s'mores thing.
Oh!
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what we're doing tonight.
So we got the fire pit thing.
And you get a bottle of wine.
A whole bottle of wine?
Yeah, except I looked up videos and it looks like you get 1 s'more each and a bottle of wine, and that's it. Don't know.
Are they even the big jumbo marshmallows?
No, it's like quite small. I don't know. We'll see what it's like when we get there. But you get a bottle of wine. It's £30. It's not like awful. Yay!
Good idea.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm good like this.
Hopefully it's not gonna be too cold.
No, it'll be.
Our s'mores kit just arrived. And we get 2. I was worried we only got 1.
I didn't mind.
No, my chocolate's not melted.
Hold on. It's not focusing. There we go. Oh no!
Tasty. Isn't it? Hand size comparison to this glass. This is the cutest glass ever. Potato croquettes for breakfast. So nutritious. Good morning. I'm looking a little bit rough right now, but I am about to head out to go to the gym because I have 6.5k that I need to run. I've spoken about this quite a lot. I'm sorry if this is getting boring, but I am currently training to run a 10k and I've been using Runner to do it. Not sponsored. Kind of wish they would sponsor me though, because I am actually enjoying the app. But they said today I have to run 6.5k, which is actually meant to be the easy run, which is kind of crazy, and I don't really want to do it outside, which is why I'm just going to do it at the gym, but that's probably not going to be very fun. I am feeling a little bit stressed because I had quite a late morning. It's already 10 to 12. We had such a fun night last night. The s'mores thing at Bell was really good. Actually, I'd really recommend it. We actually didn't even get in that late, but I just felt so tired and I stayed in bed for ages. And I have quite a lot of stuff to do today, and we actually this evening are driving all the way up to the top of Scotland. My friend Elle lives there, so we are going up to visit her, which I'm really excited about, but not excited for the drive. So we need to leave here around 4 and I have so much I need to do. So I really need to hurry up and just go to the gym and get this run over and done with. On my way, it's actually kind of mild outside. It's been so cold recently. I don't know if I'm gonna do the full 6.5k because I'm actually really paranoid that I'm not gonna have time to do everything I need to do today. Please ignore the mess behind me, but I'm obviously back from the gym. I managed to do all 6.5k. It was very difficult and my legs hurt, but I've had a shower. Also had a bit of a mental breakdown, not gonna lie, within the past hour. It is currently 2 o'clock and we're leaving in just under 2 hours and I am not packed at all. I also still haven't finished editing my vlog and I really want to get it up today, so I'm gonna give myself the next hour to edit it and see how I get on with it, and then I really need to start packing because I just have no idea what to bring. I'm trying to think of like a vibe I want to go for. It's kind of like in the middle of nowhere, so I'm like, I feel like I should go kind of countryside vibes, comfy countryside vibes. I don't know. We are also doing a Kaylee tomorrow up there, so I need to think of a nice Kaylee outfit as well, but I might just bring a couple different options to be honest and just see how I feel when I get there. But I have my protein water. I really love this stuff. I got sent it by a brand called Selfish. I actually got sent this from like an influencer website that you can kind of apply for different campaigns and then you like make a video for them. I actually never really get selected to get the stuff, but they selected me for the Selfish Give Me Protein Water, and I made an Instagram reel and a TikTok for them, and then Selfish themselves reached out and asked if I wanted to be an affiliate for them. So obviously I said yes, and they actually ended up sending me some vanilla protein powder and then also like a gut protein supplement water thing, which I still have to try, but I'm really excited about it. So I'll leave my affiliate link below if you want to try them. This is obviously not sponsored by them. I'm not getting paid by them or anything like that, but obviously if you use my link then I get some money from your order, like a percentage of what you order. So obviously there's no pressure, but if you fancy doing that then maybe you could use my link. I'm not obviously expecting anyone to really use it, to be honest, but I thought I would just mention it because I'm having this anyway. It tastes really good. This is the berry flavour. Now I'm gonna get on with my editing. I'm trying to stay calm. It's fine, and this is Vlogmas. I don't want to be bad vibes. First day of Vlogmas. I'm worried I haven't filmed enough, but it's fine. I just need to stop overthinking everything. I have my jumper on that I got from a charity shop for £2 that looks like I am in primary school PE.
You're not in primary school PE.
Do you not think this jumper looks like that? Like a wee bit.
It does.
That's the lighting gone weird. This camera is literally really testing my patience.
You mean it looks like you've forgotten your PE kit? You had rubbish PE kit then.
In primary school, I actually can't remember what my PE kit was.
Wasn't it? You're not the first year that had to wear.
No, like, this is primary school.
Oh.
Not high school. That was awful. I didn't
Yeah.
want to talk about that peak. Can't remember primary school. My school uniform in primary school was light blue and brown.
Oh.
Which is really, really rough.
It's very AG2R. Anyone's
What's that?
cycling team reference. There might be. Yeah.
It was quite horrible, to be honest. All the other nearby schools had like white shirts and like navy blue and red, and we had light blue and brown. Anyway, Danny's just made me a nice cup of tea, and I'm gonna get on with my editing. I also was meant to edit a couple of TikToks, but I think I'm gonna try and do that in the car. I don't really know if that's gonna work, but I'm gonna attempt to do it then. I've had to give up on my video, guys. I'm really sad, but it's 3:20 and we're leaving in about half an hour, so I need to start packing. This is my other option for the Kaylee, Danny. This is not gonna close. You can't even see. We left about half an hour ago and we have not even gone onto the motorway yet because there's so much traffic. So I feel like we're not actually going to get up north until probably like midnight, and we're going to need to stop at some point for dinner. A snack and something to drink, please. Let's see what snack Danny gets me. I'm sorry if today has been a bit hectic. I feel like I haven't really done well with vlogging, which is not great seeing as though it is only Vlogmas episode 1. But hopefully you'll enjoy it anyway. I'll vlog a bit of the drive. I don't really know how interesting it will be. There's also loads of people around.
Woo!
Snack haul. Oh!
Bumper bit of Cheez-Its.
Yum.
And a MacD.
Thank you very much.